Did you know animals have their own secret languages? Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 5 fascinating animal communication methods. Elephants' rumbles. Elephants talk with super low sounds you can't hear, sometimes miles away. Bees' dance moves. Bees do a waggle dance to show others where to find food. Whales' songs. Humpback whales sing tunes that travel across oceans. Fireflies' light codes. They flash specific patterns to attract mates. Prairie dogs' chatter. Their calls describe predators in surprising detail. Which animal talk blew your mind? Let us know. Like and subscribe for more awesome facts.